I got to hook. I mean, got them pegged, boys. Thick grass, but anywhere outside of the edges of the grass, they were smoking it today. Like I said, we caught 9 largemouth bass in 36-degree temperatures in northern PA in April, and it's snowing and windy. All right, guys. Ric Flair. Woo! Tyler, Old My Larry Fishing. Number 4 reservoir. Beautiful weather today. Beautiful, beautiful weather. Oh my God, we got a fish. Let me take my drink. We got a fish in the snow. Ah, Z-Man Chatterbait. Look at you, pretty little spotty. Pretty little largy. We got a fish in the snow, guys. Look at it. Look at the beautiful snow. And we got a fish. Oh, thank you, dude. We got a fish. We got a fish in the snow. Oh my God. Tighten that drag up there. Oh, we got a fish in the snow. Yes. I knew they had to be back in this pocket, man. I knew they had to be. There's another one. I mean, the dinkest of dinks. Yeah, the snow brought out the little guys. Look at that. Jackhammer's almost as big as him. I mean, look at that toad. Look at that chunk. Pretty. That water's actually pretty warm. There's 2 of them. The snow. There go another one, 3 of them. Little one, another little one, but I'm cool with it. Didn't expect a bite today. Didn't expect a bite. Ah, that guy, Gamakatsu hook. Yeah, I haven't pegged. Oh, but pretty healthy guy. Look at that again. Again. 3 of them. 3 of them. 38 degrees out. 3 of them. Oh, that's awesome, guys. Look at that Z-Man Chatterbait. Make sure it does. Dude, it is. That time I was honestly kind of burning it. So maybe they want it cranked. Another one. 4, baby. Another one. Yeah, it's got a little bit further. Still, oh, 4. 4 in the snow, little belly. Thank you, dude. There's another one. one. He's got a little good on all of them, so gorgeous. Another one. Another one. Another one, guys. There's another one. That could be a nicer one. There's the same size. Same size, but there's 5 guys. Oh. 5 of them. Another nice little one. Another nice little one. There's 5. 5. All on the Z-Man. Jackhammer. In 38-degree weather. Snow. 5 of them. Another one, 6. Another little one. I'm sure you got a little bit better good on here. Still little though. Yeah, 6 of them, guys. 38-degree weather. There's a nice one. Still not real big, but I mean, he's heavier. A lot heavier. 7 guys. Look at him. He's got a nice little gut on him. He's heavier. Not heavy. He fought good. Dang. 7 fish in the storm. Look at you, dude. You ain't a bad one. Down like that. Dang, look at that fat boy. Look at that fat boy. Yeah, baby. 7 of them. Come on. Where's my big old 10-pounder at? See, and I caught him fighting against the current, guys. There's 8. There's 8 landed. Let me get that shit out of your mouth. I want you to choke. There's 8. 8 of them. Almost lost him. 8 of them in the storm. Oh, on the jackhammer, baby. There's 8 of them. There's 8 of them. Oh, there's fish in here, guys. Come on, baby. Let's get a hog. make it 9. Let's make it 9. Another little dinker. That's 9 of them, boys. That's catching fish fun. Look at that gone, got 2 hook. I mean, got them pegged, boys. Oh, there we go. Would you say that was 9? 9 of them. You're good. You're good. Alright, guys. It's April. A cold front rolls through. What are you gonna do? It's snowing. It's April. It should be spring. What do? You go fishing, of course. Look, just because it's cold and snowy and icy, and just because everything that every bass expert has ever told you is that the bite's gonna be turned off and the fish will be so finicky, you'll be lucky to catch one. Only way to catch one is a jerkbait or to slow roll something. Look, the fish have no clue what they're supposed to hit in a certain condition or the certain weather. They don't know that it's 30 degrees and they're supposed to only be hitting a jerkbait. They don't know. They're a dumb animal. Look, today I ran a Z-Man evergreen jackhammer chatterbait. We caught 9 largemouth bass. Some of them I was just straight burning it, others I was slow rolling it, but generally they would tell you you would only get bites on the slow roll. Look, when you get a cold front, go out there and try it. And believe it or not, today I saw probably like 10 bass blow up topwater. I mean, it is freezing out here today. Very windy. Like I said, it was probably 35 when I got out here this morning, 36. Probably got up to about 40 right now. Still real windy. The snow's getting ready to pick up. But pick you up a vibrating jig, a lipless crankbait. I'm not a big fan of jerkbaits, but they do catch fish. If you like throwing a jerkbait, throw it out in this. But I'm telling you, something like that, when you get these cold fronts here in the spring, they're not like the ones in the winter. In the wintertime, that's when the fish are going to want to start moving deep, going into their hibernation winter pattern. Here in the spring, guess what? They already pulled it up, bud. It's April. They don't, you know, it's not that winter pattern again. They don't divert back to that. It's still spring pre-spawn fishing. You go out there and you use your pre-spawn tactics and you just got to find them. That's the main thing. You got to find them. And so when I am fishing a day like this and it's really windy and really cold, look for pockets and coves. There's a cove here that I fished, a cove down there that I fished, and then anything that's really sort of protected from the wind, I was able to get a few bites, but then also anything right off cover. This time of year when it gets cold, they seem to want to they're still next to that cover, but they're pushed about another 10, 15, 20 yards off that cover. So they're not real right on it. Either that or they're clear up underneath of it. We weren't pitching anything today, so I couldn't tell you guys if there's any up under the mats today, or in the real thick grass. But anywhere outside of the edges of the grass, they were smoking it today. Like I said, we caught 9 largemouth bass in 36-degree temperatures in northern PA in April, and it's snowing and windy. So don't be afraid of the cold. Go out, catch you some fish your next day off if it's supposed to be bad weather. Get you a vibrating jig, get you a lipless crankbait, throw you a jerkbait if that's your thing, and go catch some fish. I'm Tyler, All My Larry Fishing. Thank you guys for subscribing.